Hey everybody, it's NCP. I've been waiting to do a video on this because it took a long time to get here from China. It was an idea I had a couple years ago, one of those, oh this would be neat idea. Yeah, the idea turns out sucks, but I collect knives. And not expensive knives, just things I think are neat. And I do think this is neat, but I don't think it'll work. But here it is. I ordered this. I went to unbox it already, and I said, oh, no, screw that. I'm doing mine. What it is a knife slingshot. And I looked at this here, and I said, no, that's not very good. But let's take a look here. Here's the slingshot part of it. My plan was to take one of my old knives and just put a U-bolt on there. And put some, regular slingshot. Normally I'd use a wrist rocket for a slingshot because it stabilizes. But this is it. What out here? We'll hook it up here and show you. I'll put a link. I don't remember what it cost. I got it on Amazon. It was, I don't know, it was between $12 and $20. Just a standard blade. They have them with the Tonto blade or this blade, whatever it's called. I forget. I don't know. That's all it is. It's just a nice knife. It's sharp as heck. Really sharp. But that's not the important part. That's just a knife. The important part is this part here. Now this is a glass breaker. If you pull down this lever, it'll come out. Oh no, I guess push down. Sorry, push down. The glass breaker comes out. They've also had another one back here. A piece. What was it? Can opener. Or bottle opener. I guess you just push it in there. There. Oh. No, maybe the other way. Yeah, the other way. Maybe do that. But I bought it because I wanted this part. Slingshot. Push it in. There we go. I'm gonna get popped in the face, watch. I mean, that'll work. The problem is, well, here, hold on. I'm kind of afraid of it. This cheap band's like it's gonna pop me in the face, but that would work. And it holds pretty good. This feels about half of the force of my wrist rocket. But for a survival tool, anything you can use to get food. Now I am really good at the slingshot. That's just one of my preferred things to target shoot with. But because if you have a marble or something, if you have this couple marbles or steel bell bearings, be fine. But it comes with a case. But the point is, I think this is cool. I think it's very impractical, but I would definitely keep it. And like I said, it's just a normal knife. You eject this part here, but it'd be better to, I think, to weld. Like I said, that's, it's just not a very strong band. And if it breaks, I don't know how you'd replace it. If it breaks, I'd probably put a regular one on there, but this would probably tweak if you had too much force. I think it'd be better if you made your own, to be honest. Put a U-bolt on there. But like I said, it's nice. You can carry anything in the bag, on your pouch. I mean, given the choice, a Gerber multi-tool would be far superior, but whatever. I just thought this was cool. And I still do. I guess you can have it go whichever way you want. No, I guess not. No. Well, I don't know if it'll go in backwards. You gotta come out, it won't walk. I'll put a link to Amazon below for this. But a slingshot knife. Isn't that a cool idea? How cool is that? Impractical, but cool. Very cool. Let me set a thumbnail here, I guess, for my video. It's also a lock blade, which is good. There we go. Cool, huh? That's cool. That's really cool. I don't know what this is for. I don't know. Let me pause this, hold on. Okay, it's listed as tool 0. There's the tools. I have no idea what to do with it, but there it is. There's that, there's a glass breaker, there's the, I don't know. I don't know. Tools, no tools I don't see. But I guess I hook on the belts and such, so the case is considered a tool. Yeah. There's a screwdriver in there, you can adjust this lock there. There it is. That's pretty much it. Like I said, it's probably about 12 to 20 bucks, but take a look, you know, see if you want one or not. It's cool. I'll put a link below. I just collect things, knives that I find are cool. I don't know, you might want it, you might not. I would never really take this out in a survival situation, let's be honest. I mean, the knife I would, but it wouldn't be my only knife. But I'd rather have a wrist rocket, something I use that has a lot of power to take down a rabbit or something. This, I don't know, maybe a bird, I guess. I don't know. Alright, I'm gonna let you guys go. You guys have a great one, NCP. I'll catch you guys later.